Linglong Tyre is a leading manufacturer specializing in the design, development, production, and sales of high-quality tires. Our products are widely used in passenger cars, commercial vehicles, and construction machinery. Named one of the world's most valuable tire brands by Brand Finance for 5 consecutive years, Linglong Tyre consistently ranks at the top of the global tire list. Relying on global talent and expertise, Linglong has established 7 R&D centers worldwide, building a globalized and open innovation system of 3 countries and 7 centers. Through continuous product upgrades and industry-leading technological breakthroughs, Linglong has secured more than 1,500 authorized patents. Targeting the global market with diverse user needs, we have developed a differentiated brand portfolio. Linglong, Atlas, Green Max, Evolux, Crosswind, and Liao. Linglong is continuously strengthening its global service capabilities and actively promoting its 7+5 strategic global layout, ensuring an optimal service coverage for automakers. With a cumulative sales volume of more than 280 million tires supplied to over 200 production bases of more than 60 world-class automakers such as Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, Stellantis, General Motors, Ford, Renault, Honda, Scania, MAN. Linglong has consistently secured its position as the top 1 tire supplier in China for several consecutive years. Our impressive customer list also includes new energy vehicle brands such as FAW Hongqi, Dongfeng Honda, GAC Honda, Renault Nissan, and BYD, making Linglong the world's top seller in this fast-growing market segment. With an extensive global sales and service network of nearly 200,000 sales outlets in 173 countries, Linglong enables users around the world to access our reliable products and quality services. In cooperation with Ideata, Linglong Group invested more than RMB 1.3 billion in 2014 to build a world-class comprehensive large-scale tire proving ground in China known as the Sino-Asia Tire Proving Ground. By setting the highest international benchmark, this facility has significantly enhanced Linglong's product R&D capability and service efficiency. The Sino-Asia Tire Proving Ground provides a comprehensive facility to facilitate the development and testing of powertrains and components for both passenger and commercial vehicles. Linglong has built a global sports marketing platform and participated in over 100 global sports events as a sponsor to enhance brand vitality through sports-centered marketing. As an exemplary integrator of social responsibility and brand identity, Linglong is committed to actively fulfilling its social responsibilities through continuous efforts in environmental protection, disaster relief, social welfare, and youth development initiatives worldwide. To date, we have invested a total of over RMB 100 million in public welfare. Greatness originates from a brave start. Linglong, through extraordinary wisdom and persistent innovation, is striving to become a technology-driven tire manufacturer with world-class technical expertise, management practices, and brand influence. The world is at your reach.